Yep, it's on. All right, guys, so I've been using this Tolaccea Mlife 03 backpack for about a week now, and I honestly think this bag is perfect for weekend travelers, backpackers, couples who pack light. That's right, this bag starts at 40 liters and expands up to 50 liters, so you can really pack a lot in there. And then lastly, travelers that are trying to avoid checking a bag. This bag is the same size as most carry-on restrictions, so you can really get away with a lot. I also think this bag could be great for digital nomads, content creators, and photographers, but you'll need some protection like a camera cube to keep everything organized and make sure your equipment doesn't get damaged during transit. And what I personally like about this bag is that it doesn't scream, hey, I've got a bunch of expensive camera gear in the bag. Now, to be fair, there are a couple things worth mentioning, and one is that it's not an ultra-light, minimalistic backpack, and when it's full, it's pretty darn heavy. So for me personally, I'm not a backpacker. I'm not gonna go backpacking with this backpack, but I do really value saving a few extra pounds when I'm flying to places like Europe or Asia and trying to meet strict bag requirements. And now I say that because if you're comparing this Tolaccea backpack with a polycarbonate roller, you're gonna save around 3 pounds. So that can really come in handy on your way home when your bag is stuffed full of souvenirs. Now, this is what value travel really comes down to, and that's not spending the least amount of money possible, but spending smarter to improve your overall experience, because the right travel gear reduces stress, improves mobility, saves time, saves money, and makes your trip overall much smoother. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If it helped you out, leave a comment down below. Please like the video. It actually does help me out, and subscribe for future travel videos. And until next time, happy travels and keep on navigating.